Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am so excited because I'm going to be filming 3 looks with the Essence X Disney Villains Scar palette. I bought this one because it's the one that spoke to me the most. I love greens and I love neutrals, so I decided to pick this one up. But when I received it and I opened it and I saw how beautiful the quality looks, I wanted to go ahead and try the other ones out. So if you want to see videos with each of the other ones, I can definitely do them. I think it's Ursula and the Evil Queen. I will definitely be open to using those as well, but today I am just gonna focus on this palette. Of course, we will do close-up and some swatches. So from top to bottom, we have Promises, Savannah, Pride Lands, Pumbaa, Claws Out, Lion, Fearless, Be Prepared, Timon, Mufasa, Pride Rock, Simba, You Better Run, and Brothers. The shade names in here, I'm like, why would you put Mufasa in here and Simba? Like, come on. But I love the Lion King theme of this collection. I don't like Scar. I don't think anyone likes Scar, but like the colors. Let's focus on the colors. You know, the colors are pretty. I hate metallic packaging like this because it's always so hard to see the colors. That's why I like to do close-ups. And I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eye and we can get started on look number 1. I've primed my eyes with the Ardell Cosmetics Clean Canvas Primer in the shade Fair Light, and we are ready for some shadow. I'm so excited. So I feel like this palette is beautiful for fall. I don't know. But for this first look, I think I'm gonna go into this shade called Lion. I love the claw marks in the pan. I think that's such a nice little touch. One that I wouldn't think about. So I'm gonna take the shade Lion, and this is gonna be like my transition shade. And I'm gonna start it about halfway and kind of blend. I love Essence formula. I think it's a really nice formula for the price. This palette did retail for about $12.99. So it's a very decent price on there, and so far the formula is actually blending out beautifully. Very nice blending here. Look at that. That's very nice. For the inner corner, I want to take this light creamy shade called Savannah. I feel like it's very pretty, and I'm going to pop that right in the inner and kind of use this to also further blend out these shadows. And to deepen it up a little bit, I'm going to go into this shade called Promises, and it does have a little bit of sparkle, which I don't think will show up too much on the eyes, but I love like how it has that sparkle. I think it's very pretty. I'm gonna pack this on the outer edge just to kind of deepen this up just a little. I don't want to go too deep with this particular look. I kind of want to keep this one very light and neutral, kind of really working to blend all these shades together. Going back into that shade called Lion, and just using this to kind of blend that deeper shade into the Promises shade, and then we're gonna top it off with the Savannah shade just because I think it works really well to blend the other shades out. So far it's blending very nicely. For Essence shadows, I expected great quality anyway, so it's always very nice to have an affordable brand that makes really nice quality products. Taking my NYX glitter primer, I'm gonna take an LBE3 for this. Just take that primer and pat it all over the lid where this Promises shade kind of meets the primer, just lightly patting that in. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my finger for this because I don't know how these shimmers are gonna perform. I want to take this gold shade called Pride Lands. Looks very pretty actually. It looks beautiful. And I'm gonna pop this shade right on the outer. That is beautiful. Look at that. $12.99. That's beautiful. Honestly, for $12.99, this is a beautiful kind of fall palette. I will say I love this shimmer. I think it's beautiful on the lids. And it looks very expensive, but in reality it's not that expensive. I'm gonna take a brush. Hopefully it works with a brush. I'm gonna go into this shade called Claws Out, and it's kind of like a marbled shade, but I'm gonna take that with a flat eyeshadow brush and see how this applies kind of right next to the Pride Lens shade. definitely applies better with your finger, but my nails make this so hard. It doesn't want to like apply with a brush. And I'm just gonna blend those shimmers out with the first blending brush. Kind of blend those two shimmers together as best as possible. I don't have anything for the inner corner in here. I feel like that's what it's missing. It's missing like an inner corner highlight. I'm just gonna use one that I have. Let's dip into the Glam Light one. I feel like that greeny, duochrome shifty highlight would really make this pop more. I'm just gonna take a pencil brush and dip into this and pop it right on the inner corner. Yep. So now I'm going to pop on a lash. I'm gonna use these Ardells. I kind of cut them a little wonky. I don't know if you can tell. You totally can. I cut them wrong. But I'm gonna try to get use out of them anyway. This is in the style 427. But we're gonna put these on. I'm gonna put it on like a, maybe like a half flash moment towards the end so I can like wing out. We'll see what I do. Okay, and this is look number 1 done. I actually really like this lash. I think it looks very pretty and light and natural. Kind of looks like my lash, even though it's not my lash. It looked like my lash. And I cut it like by a lot normally than I would, and I actually like the way it looks cut like that. I think it's a very nice, different kind of vibe to what I normally do. So I'm gonna prime this eye and then we can get started on look number 2. Alright, I have this eye primed and I kind of want to play with the 2 green shades in here. So I guess we're going to see how that turns out because there's only 2 of them. I'm going to dip into this matte called Pumbaa. I'm going to take that on the same brush that's spot cleaned. And I'm going to go ahead and start packing that on this side. It's a very nice like olive green. And because there aren't any other greens to deepen this up, it's just gonna be like 2 shades, and I'm hoping that it looks good. So far so good. It looks very nice actually, and I like how it's blending just on its own. Taking a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to try and blend this out more. And for the inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and take Savannah again, but this time it's just going to be focused right in that inner part, right in here, as well as trying to further blend out these shades on my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and take the NYX glitter primer, and I love how Timon and Pumbaa go together because they're both the greens in this palette. I think that's adorable and very fitting. So I'm going to go ahead and put the NYX glitter primer all over the lid, and we can put on that shimmer all over, literally covering the entire lid up to a little bit of the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Timon now. Very nice green. I love that. And this is going all over my lid. Not me flipping you off. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna go and take that shade Timon with a brush to kind of do the inner portion. Kind of harder to pick up these shades on a brush. I will definitely give some criticism to that. If you're not using your finger to put down these shades, you may have a little bit of trouble like I am. I definitely don't think this palette works in that aspect. Definitely feel like your fingers are the best way to use these shimmers. I can't really stick my finger in there. Like, it's just not gonna work for me. This is as best as it's gonna get for me. I definitely really like how sparkly that is. So I know it's pretty simple, but it actually is very impactful at the same time. I really like the way this looks. Let's go in with some highlighter because I feel like that really amped up the first look. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna put on my lash and we can see which one of these is gonna be coming off. I don't know yet because they're both very pretty. I love this look here because it does kind of remind me of the Lion King, but this one, I love green. I'm a green lover. So I guess we'll see. Here we have look number 2. I kind of can't get this lash to look as seamless as this lash. I've been trying, but it's not really working for me. So I'm just gonna say this is look number 2 completed. My boyfriend got me coffee. It's delicious in my Grogu cup. So I really like how the highlighter kind of works with both looks. I think it looks really nice and really cool. I think I'm gonna take this one off. I know, don't be mad. I feel like the green kind of just suits my eye color better, you know? So this one's definitely coming off, and I will see what I do for the last look. I am primed and I'm gonna have a piece of cake. My boyfriend also gave me a piece of cake. This is the best. I saw these at Walmart. They are so good. As far as the third look with this palette goes though, these colors are kind of calling to me. I feel like I'm gonna use Be Prepared, Pride Rock, and Simba for the last look. Hopefully it turns out good. My brushes are spot cleaned again. I'm gonna go into this dark shade called Be Prepared. And I'm actually quite scared. I'm not prepared actually. And I'm gonna start kind of layering this right on my crease. You know, for a dark color, it's showing up very well. And it's kind of like a darker gray shade. It's something I normally wouldn't use in a palette like this, but it's been calling my name. It's been kind of intriguing me and calling my attention. So I figured we would use this shade. It's quite interesting for me. It's kind of like a charcoal almost. Very, very interesting for me. I'm gonna go ahead and take this clean blending brush and kind of go over and kind of blend it further, just so I can get a nice even blending on here. And to kind of blend that out, I'm gonna go into this shade called Simba, and I'm gonna use this as like that blending shade to kind of just really blend this color. Hopefully it works. I don't really know how it's gonna work or look, but I guess we'll see. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and take that Be Prepared shade and kind of just deepen where I want to deepen this, kind of right where the blended meets that gray that I put down earlier. Right there, I kind of want it to be a little darker. I'm impressed. Again, it's not patchy, it looks very pretty and well blended. I'm quite impressed with this palette so far. I feel like it's very nice quality. Taking my NYX glitter primer on that same brush I've been using, and I'm again gonna put this all over the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade called Pride Rock. This one definitely feels smoother than the other shades. The other shades are kind of hard and flaky. This one is very smooth, and I'm excited to see how this looks over top of this look. I need a brush. Hopefully this shade picks up with a brush better, and it does. It's very nice. It does have a teeny bit of fallout. I just felt that on my face, but nothing I can't handle. Going back in with that small blending brush, I'm just gonna make sure all of this is blended. I really like this. This is very different for me. It's a very smoky eye look. I'm kind of here for it. Should I be drinking coffee right now? No. It is 7 p.m. But I still gotta cook dinner and edit a video. We should be fine. Today for dinner I'm having miso chicken. You're probably like, what the fuck is miso? I'm trying to figure that out myself because I don't know. I just know that it tastes very good and that I'm going to enjoy having it with my chicken. I'm gonna pop on the same lash and then I will be right back so we can see the final look all together. Here is look number 3 and look number 2. I'm actually obsessed. I feel like these are like total, like complete opposite looks, but I'm obsessed. I actually really like the way this turned out. I really quickly want to add some highlighter. I think I'm going to use the top one of the Glam Light. It's more of like a pinky purpley highlighter. I feel like it would look really nice with this smoky look I have going on. I'm kind of obsessed with both of these. I didn't think I would be, but I totally am. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back and we can talk about my final thoughts on this Essence X Disney Villains Scar palette. So this is the final look with everything on my face. I am obsessed, okay? So what did I think of the Essence X Disney Villains Scar palette? This palette is actually beautiful. For the price of $12.99, you get 14 gorgeous shades in here that perform beautifully. The mattes blend wonderfully. This is the third palette in the line. It's called My Territory. I don't like Scar, but this is a Disney Villains collection, so I'm kind of, you know, biased. I don't like villains too much. I love this palette. I think it's beautiful. I think out of all 3 of them, this is the one that caught my attention the most. And for $12.99, I give it a thumbs up. It was incredible. It was amazing. The shimmers, I love the different textures you get in this palette, and it feels like an expensive palette for such a low price, which I can't get over. You get a wonderful mirror in here. I love the packaging. Super simple yet super beautiful. I love Essence. I think they come out with some amazing collections, and I definitely am gonna pick up the other two and make videos on those as well. So stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm not farting, I swear. I don't know what to do for like the inner part. I was kind of really hungry. So I'm gonna go into this am I shoving cake down my face? Not everything falling. Oh, Taylor, I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and we can talk. I'm gonna do